Give him a little neck rub. So he just like sitting in the grass, evidently. I figured for sure he would try to fly right away.
The other one I thought did.
Hey Bert, you want to try to fly? Not really? It's like, nah, this is cool. I like just sitting here. You think?
It's easier to take off.
Come in. Jeannie thinks he wanna. Oops. Oopsie. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. You want to give it a shot? You want to try to fly away? Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. He's like, kind of like being a human pet. Get fed every once in a while. Water, food. Hey, little bird. What are you doing?
Where's the mom bird that was out here? She's usually out here and she makes loud noises. All the birds are
Lily. Look, there's a bird. See the bird? Come here, Lily. Lily, come here. Every time I call her, she walks away from me.